This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 66,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Hub City Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4060 South Ferdon Boulevard in Crestview.